Who is Dave Ramsey, and why are millions of people following his 7 baby steps to financial freedom? Dave Ramsey is a US-based personal finance expert known for his no-nonsense approach to getting out of debt and building wealth. His baby steps have helped countless Americans take control of their money, ditch debt, and create a solid financial future. But here's the thing, while his advice is powerful, it's also very American. From Roth IRAs to 401ks. Some of it just doesn't translate directly to life here in the UK. So, in today's video, we're breaking down what the 7 baby steps actually are, and more importantly, we're translating them for a UK audience. Whether you're drowning in overdrafts or just want a smarter way to save, you're in the right place, because by the end of the video, you'll have a clear UK-friendly roadmap to financial peace. Dave Ramsey's baby steps are a 7-step financial plan designed to help people get out of debt, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. I'm going to break them down now and give you the UK translation whenever the step is US aligned. Baby step 1. Save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. The goal here is to create a small buffer to cover unexpected expenses so you don't rely on credit cards. This is equivalent to £748.90, but I like £1,000. Whole numbers feel good psychologically, so let's say baby step 1 is to save £1,000. Baby step 2. Pay off all debt except the house using the debt snowball. List all your debts out from smallest to largest. Pay minimums on all except the smallest of debts, which you attack with every extra pound. This is all about momentum and motivation, psychology over maths, and I absolutely love this step. It's exactly how I approach tasks at work. If my list is huge, I try to get the easy ones crossed off, and suddenly it's a little less daunting. Baby step 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. The purpose is to build a financial cushion. Now if you're thinking this sounds just like step 1, £1,000 was never supposed to be sufficient, it was a start. The baby steps are all about building consistent forward movement. If step 1 was saving £15,000, many people would give up straight away. So let's say my mortgage and all my bills cost me £2,000 a month. I need to save £6,000 to £12,000 at this step, because that's the cost of my expenses over 3 to 6 months. Then, say I lose my job. I've got this buffer to tide me over until the next one. Dave Ramsey's official website cites another example of the AC breaking, but I don't know anybody with aircon in the UK, so let's say your boiler breaks, it's covered, you get the point. Baby step 4, invest 15% of your household income in retirement. At this point, you have 0 debt and a cushy emergency fund, so it's time to start building lasting wealth. Invest 15% of your household income in retirement. Too many people think, I'll worry about retirement later, and then it creeps up on them and they don't have enough. Now, in America, this involves Roth IRAs and 401ks. So if you're in the UK, here's what you need to know. IRA means individual retirement account. A Roth IRA allows your money to grow tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free in retirement also. The closest comparison is a stocks and shares ISA, and we get a £20,000 a year contribution limit in the UK. A Roth IRA is just $7,000. A 401k is essentially just your workplace pension scheme. So, invest 15% of your household income for your retirement, split between your workplace pension scheme and a stocks and shares ISA. Side note, if you're offered to take some kind of employer match with your pension, take it. If, for example, they'll match up to 6% but you're only paying in 3%, I'll say it Dave Ramsey style. You're stupid. It's free money. You won't double your money guaranteed anywhere else. Baby step 5. Save for your children's college fund. You do this after you start saving for retirement because your kids might not go to college, but you'll definitely retire. The official website states, prioritizing your future isn't selfish, it's smart, and I totally agree. Now in the UK, we don't have a direct equivalent to the US Education Savings Account or a 529 college savings plan. The closest thing we have is a junior ISA, which is a tax-free savings or investment account for children under 18 with an annual limit of £9,000 per year. Personally, I don't like junior ISAs because the child takes control at 16 and can access the money at 18 for anything, not just education. Kids can be dumb and I wouldn't want them spending their education fund on a Ferrari. So just put some money aside in your regular savings or investment account, but it's up to you. So that's step 5, save for your children's college fund. Obviously, if you don't want kids, you just skip this step. Baby step 6, pay off your home early. When you're intentional about attacking your mortgage, you can pay it off in 10 years or less. I don't want to get stuck on this step for too long, as whilst it's tricky in practice, it's straightforward in principle, and I'll make another video with tips on how to do this later. The short answer is, you make extra house payments to reduce the mortgage term. Baby step 7, build wealth and give. At this point, you've reached total financial peace. Your home is paid off, you have zero debt, and your money is working for you. Your hard work's paid off and you're on track to keep building wealth and be outrageously generous to causes that matter to you, all while leaving an inheritance for your kids and their kids. And that is Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps explained for a UK audience. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. And these steps give you a simple roadmap to do just that. If you found this video helpful, do me a favour, give it a like, drop a comment below if you've started or finished any of the baby steps, and don't forget to subscribe for more UK-focused personal finance content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.